Now we will turn to the stuff you will be tested on. Here, you do need to take notes. Let's first look at a major split in the subject, the division between descriptive and inferential statistics. This distinction is based on what you're trying to do with your data. With descriptive statistics, you describe or summarize things you definitely know. Let's say, for example, that you have a list of all the senior SAT scores at a high school. You want to get a better feel for the kind of students you have. To do this, you could make a graph, chart, or a table displaying their SAT scores. For instance, this chart shows the mean or average SAT score for the school. This is an example of descriptive statistics, summarizing or displaying the facts known to you. With inferential statistics, you're doing more than just describing. You go on to compare groups, test a hypothesis, or make predictions. For example, suppose you hear a television commercial claiming that the gas mileage for a certain model of car is 30 miles per gallon. You doubt the claim, and you want to test it. The car company will make hundreds of thousands of these cars every year, and it's not practical for you to test the gas mileage on every one. But you might go to various dealerships that sell this model and randomly pick and drive only 50 of these cars. Then you could use the information to figure out whether all cars of this model average approximately the gas mileage claimed by the ad. We assume that the 50 cars we picked are representative of the hundreds of thousands of cars in the population. When we say the 50 cars are representative of the population, this means we hope that these 50 cars aren't somehow different from all the cars out there of the same make and model that we could have chosen. We use this small group of cars to infer or conclude something about the population of cars they came from. This technique is part of inferential statistics. It's how we say something about a group when we haven't been able to test each group member. The big difference between these two divisions is this. When we illustrate or summarize facts about data we already have, we're doing descriptive statistics. When we attempt to compare, test, or predict something about a group we haven't examined directly, we're doing inferential statistics.